I did not agree to any of this. Now, can you call the fucking...
Hello, my one forget how y'all doing? Gavin Holzman, and we are back with the lysine experiment contingency. Like, I messed that completely up because I was reading and talking and trying to remember at the same time. But the lysine contingency experiments, that's analog Jurassic Park VHS analog horror series. Wow, I'm messing that up. And I'm yawning, great. But if you watched the last video, you know we watched 6 of the 13, and we'll finish off the rest of them in this video. They're actually longer than the other 6 videos, so let's just dive on in to the first video. The Cave. Lysine experiment number 3. Ranger helicopter number 2. Still 1992. Routine park checkup. Number 11. Lysine testing was still problematic. Shocker. We were told that Rex assets haven't been examined. Oh, great. We were told your friend was eaten checking them the previous night. Shocker. We entered the Rex paddock. Wonderful! What wonders await us now? That we were struggling to find the last Rex. His implant wasn't sending a location signal. Night came. That is when you pack up and go home for the night. Why are there wolves on these sauna? A couple of us went back to the station. Yeah, I would have. I should have stayed. Maybe I could have done something. Why would you not all leave or stay? Strength in numbers. God, you think people that are part of a security detail would know this. How many people stayed? I refuse to show the following in full out of respect for my friend. I'll show you enough. So that you understand. That you left your friend to die. Like, seriously, if he was your friend, you either stick with him or you convince him to come with you. There is no other option. Oh, that's bad. Buddy, I think you're about to die. Oh boy, here we go. Okay. Oh, the cave. Is it Sachin? Hammond told his family that he was missing. But we know, John, that he was eaten. I visited his grave last week. Uh-huh.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
No expense. Okay, interesting. Description time. VHS security from the first lysine contingency experiment from June 6, 1992 on Isla Nubla, Costa Rica. Yada yada, now it's time to yada, da. Lysine, this was only dramatic. Sworn to secrecy. Okay, so nothing new. Wonderful. Next video. This is the next video, the Carnotaurus test. 3 minutes, 57 seconds. Where my team died. T-Rex, Dilophosaurus, Spinosaurus, Raptor, Compy. Raptor, T-Rex, Mosasaurus. Yeah, he lost 2 to the T-Rex, 1 to the Raptors, 1 to the Mosasaurus, and 1 to the Spinosaurus. Yeah. Okay, you lingered on that shot too long, but you can't linger on the text a little longer.
Why? 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 Why?
Don't run into the tall grass! Wow, he jumped ahead of day. Another day. I got their tapes back. Cool. I was going to leave. The next day. Ugh! Okie dokie. Do. Then I found this. In this suite. I did not add the music, it was already there. Test subject 63. Asset number 102, Carnosaurus. Oh boy, that's not good. Test subject 41. Same Carnosaurus. Uh-oh. Test subject 13. Carnosaurus. So... Woo! Death. I was gonna say, let's add a couple more of those dots. Alright, there you go. Okay, so what's interesting is they're calling them test subjects. Let's read the description and I'll talk more. This compilation of VHS clips are known as the Carnosaurus test. The Carnosaurus test were a series of tests conducted at some point before my arrival on Isla Nublar, Jurassic Park in the early 1990s. These tapes will uncover the night of my escape after coming to know of dark secrets being kept by John Hammond, Ingen, and the scientists. I do not know the names of the victims. Out of respect for the victims, I have opted to keep some of the more gruesome moments out of this edit. R.I.P. Reaper. Okay, so before he even arrived, they were doing experiments. So were these guests, random people they brought in, or security team members they were testing? What was the test though, to see if the Connosaurus was an effective hunter? Interesting. Let's go on to the next video, shall we? This next video is the Jurassic Park Junior Ranger Society video. 4 minutes, 38 seconds.
Welcome to the Jurassic Park Junior Ranger Secret Promotion video.
Okay.
If you are watching this tape, it means that you've been selected by a committee of your peers, as well as our senior ranger staff, to take part in this special program that only the top Junior Park Rangers ever get to join.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Upon being accepted into the Junior Ranger Park Society, you can expect to drive around the park in your very own custom Jeep. And before you enter the... Well, hey look, who's that?
Mr.
It's none other than
DNA.
Mr. DNA. Hey there, Mr. DNA.
Hey there, and hello, kids. Today, I'll be taking you to some very special critters who you'll be able to help oversee along with our top rangers. Do you want to see? Yeah! Alrighty then, follow me. As you already know, thanks to innovations from our top scientists, we'll be seeing a number of amazing real-life dinosaur species. The first species that our Secret Ranger Society gets to help take care of is none other than Triceratops.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yay!
Let's take a look in the pen and see if we can spot any tracks.
I hope so, otherwise we're in trouble.
There's one right now. Who wants to go pet him on the head? Me. Have fun, kiddo.
Oh, hell no. Okay, well, it looks less doppy there. Okay, sorry for that weird cut there. Had to run to the
If
stove.
you'll follow me as we continue on our super secret
My timer
special
went off.
tour, the next dinosaur that we're going to encounter is one of the most ferocious and intelligent predators that our scientists have recreated on the island. Would
Great!
anyone like to guess which dinosaur we'll be taking a look at?
Velociraptor.
Spinosaurus. No, but good guess. Carnotaurus. Adventurous, I say. No. It's the one, the only, Velociraptor.
Yep.
Yay! Who would like to be the first ever Secret Junior Ranger to feed a Velociraptor? Me, I would.
Okay, this... What? You don't know. You just literally said it's the most ferocious creature they have. Who wants to feed it?
Right then, sport. Step right up.
Yeah, feed it yourself. Oh.
Congratulations, champ. Since you're the last Secret Ranger that has yet to feed a dinosaur, you'll be helping me take care of our most important asset. Are you sure you're up for it? I don't know. It's alright, bud. I'll be right beside you the whole time. You have nothing to fear.
You just
Except,
fed...
of course, if we don't get this dino fed. Ready?
You just fed my friend to a Raptors.
Yes. I'm ready. Great. Let's go.
Mr. DNA sounds almost like one of the woodland critters. Hey, what's that?
Our final asset is
Oh my god, his eyes.
the horrifying tyrant lizard king,
T-Rex.
the Tyrannosaurus Rex. But in order to keep her actually satisfied, we have to use a special technique to take care of her. What do you think it could be? I don't know. Not a problem. Do you know what Rexy's favorite food is?
People.
Other dinosaurs? Here, does this help? A goat? That's right. Go ahead and put on the mask with me.
Oh, fuck no.
Stand right here. Now, on the count of 3, I want you to dance along with me. This'll get the Rex's attention.
Oh,
It
hell
loves
no.
dancing.
No, it loves movement.
I want to go home. Too late for that now. Our special asset has just arrived. Wasn't that fun, kids?
No.
Thanks for joining me for this super secret video that
Hell
shows
no.
you how Junior Rangers can help our assets like no one else. Have a great day.
Hell no. Congratulations, you just watched 3 murders. Congratulations, you watched 3 kids die. Let's read the comment section. Well, not comments, description. This is a VHS video I uncovered while going through Ingen's presidential suite at the main hotel of Izanuba. I am horrified but not at all surprised. Excuse me. Before Jurassic Park was open to the public, Hammond was insistent on Rangers bringing in interns or training them. Now we know why. R.I.P. Junior Rangers. I hate knowing this VHS tape exists. Oh, that looks awesome as shit. Living with monsters? Oh, that has to be another reaction, but I want to save that. Next video, shall we? Alright. This is the 10th video, I think? Dilophosaurus tapes. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Let's see how stuff went south. Jurassic Park Security. JPS. Thank you all for the feedback. You're welcome. The last video I shared with you was difficult to process. Very good. I have no evidence of this topic actually taking place. The following was also recovered in the presidential suite. The names of the victims are unknown. Right. So wait a minute, in the presidential suite, are they just watching these like videos on repeat just to see how the dinosaurs acted? Because I feel like this is all for the dinosaurs, not the people. I mean, obviously at this point, no shit, right? But here come the Dilophosauruses. I'm actually Dilophosauruses. I always find that hilarious because Dilophosauruses don't have frills, they don't have acid. They are way fucking bigger in real life. The only thing the Jurassic Park Dilophosaurs have that real ones have is a crest. Other than that, though, nothing else. But at the same time, it's like, these aren't real dinosaurs. They're creations, monsters, made by Ingen. Because it's not pure dino DNA. This person was being stalked all day. I figured. To the untrained ear, one could easily mistake their call for a bird. Sounds a little less like a bird. Listen again. Yeah, I know. I heard it. That. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Dilophosaurus tapes. I think the Dilophosaurus is the way forward to go in the Jurassic Park franchise because they eat you alive, while you can't do anything but feel all the pain of being eaten alive. That's what happens with Dennis Nedry, if you don't know, if you haven't read the books. He gets killed by the Dilophosaurs, but a lot more gruesome than just being attacked in the truck. He gets gutted and he still feels it. Because he's still alive. The poison just paralyzed him. I know they spit venom, but am I the only one that would just go up and fucking grab it by the head?
Nice dinosaur.
Look at that swagger. That Dilophosaurus got swagger. Okay, maybe not. Never mind. That was necessary. Where this looks like something you see in that Jurassic Park CDI game. You know the one I'm talking about? Emergency. Clear the area! Oh, that's interesting. Of course. Why is there a school? Backing up, backing up. I think it found them. I think they've been got. I can't be certain, but from what I can gather, I believe these are the victims. R.I.P. Huh. Another honestly intriguing video. Let's read the description before we move on. Another set of tapes I was able to smuggle out of the Presidential Street. Someone was asking me about Dilophosaurus footage. Here's what I found. Unfortunately, I am unable to identify and only speculate as to who the victims were. May they rest in peace. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? Alright, here comes the 11th video. Hello Reaper. Move. Engine. I guess Engine caught wind of them.
Hello, Reaper. I've been watching you.
Cool, I guess.
Your videos. Your work to try and defame what John did. What we did. Your work has been interesting. It's as if you believe that you can stop this place. The power of this place. The only problem, Reaper, is that you don't understand.
Okay.
You know nothing. You were a pawn in our plan. In John's plan. All of those people. Your friends. Those children. You thought that we fed them to our beloved assets as experiments? You poor soul. Perhaps you'll learn the truth. Soon.
Okay, I have a theory. Because Engine themselves contacted Reaper saying, hey, we're not doing exactly what you're thinking, but you will find out soon. So I wonder if that means that they're actually... clearly people are going missing and they are doing something with the people's bodies or the people themselves. But as to what, I can hazard two guesses. Trying to militarize, weaponize to see how dangerous the dinosaurs are. Or B, after the dinosaurs kills them or is about to kill them, they step in, save them, and do something with them. What? I don't know. Let's read the description. Well, that doesn't help. Let's see if the comments have anything. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? This is the 12th video, second to last video of Pterodon Aviary. 6 minutes, 14 seconds. A long video.
This is Security Specialist Roger Stillback.
Cool.
At the request of the scientists, I'm recording my venture to restore the electric fences of the Sorna Aviary. The date is June 23rd,
Roger left the lens cap on here.
Anyway, I'm going to be filming my journey, kind of a tour, I guess, starting right here in my office. I guess the Pteranodon team wants to see if there's any way they can make our life easier, counting the steps needed to get to the electric grid. For the next hour, they'll temporarily disable the current running through the aviary walls.
Okay.
These types of tests are routine. I remember doing the same thing during a time back when I was in Milwaukee. I worked back at a zoo. So anyway, that's what this is, and let's go.
You poor, poor, unfortunate sap. Playing right into their games. Cool.
Alright, so we're at the first outdoor panel for the perimeter fences. These are for remote access in case someone needs to turn these off while in the vicinity of the aviary.
Okay.
As you can see, they're all okay. No problems, thankfully. So, now, we're gonna go into the aviary security room, which is on the southwest entrance, closest to the main road that comes in from the lab.
Okie dokie.
It seems like it's kind of dark in here, so I don't know if I can show you guys what to do.
Yeah.
Can't find the lights. I'm just going to take out the camera with the flash and kind of show you what the panels look like and that they're working properly.
Why don't you just use the flash to find the light switch? I was gonna say, why don't you just use the flash to find the light switch? Like... Why are you going in? I think I forgot why he said he's going in. Oh, okay. At this point in the tape, Roger remains silent. Probably not to give his location away. I'm not sure where he's going or why he entered the Pterodon area. Okay, so no, he didn't mention why the hell he entered. I'm free flying. Pterodon is the bird with the big old wings. It's got a beak, it's got a crown, da 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 da. Seriously, what the hell are you doing, man? That's shit quality. Did you want pictures of the Pterodon? Good sir, that is not worth risking your life over. I wonder if he's been spotted. Off we go. You're an idiot. Have a nice fall. Have a nice fall. Am I the only one that... I don't doubt this was black, but I would grab both legs and try to literally swing my feet up to either kick the damn thing in the face or grab my legs around its neck. And I thought they were in the aviary. Hold on. That seemed like they were outside the aviary. What the fuck? Okay. interesting. This incident was never acknowledged publicly by Jurassic Park leadership. What else is new? R.I.P. Roger Stillbeck. Why the fuck did he go in? And how the fuck did he let the pterodon out? Let's read the description real quick. This is the edit of some moments found on a tape labeled Roger Stillbeck 98. This was yet another tape I smuggled, only this was uncovered off of Isla Sorna, not Nublar. R.I.P. Roger Stillbeck. While I didn't know you personally, I can only imagine that you share the same love of dinosaurs that I have, and that motivated you to begin walking at Jurassic Park, a place that you most likely thought was a dream come true. Unfortunately, while I hope you're resting in peace, you, more than any of us, know that this dream was really, in reality, a nightmare. Okay. Let's go on to the last video, shall we? This is the last video of this reaction. Secret ending. Move. Engine. Let's play a game. Secret ending. Sneak peek. Okay, I guess. Oh my god! That's the fucks. Yes. Oh my god! Final message. Brilliant. You have escaped Jurassic Park. You have succeeded where others became done now. But some dinosaurs survive, but only time will tell who rules the earth. Message during the game ends. A. Exit the credits, or B. to repeat. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Congratulations! You've made it to the end. You are specifically chosen to play. Cool. And now, he is ready to meet you. Who? TDML. I have no fucking clue. Okay, it's a fucking potato. Hello. It's a fucking potato. Are you That's how we end it? That was a year ago. I don't think he's posted anything yet. Let's look at the description. Oh, that's one of these again. Let's read the comments instead. Okay, no, but if you guys can decode it, I'm pretty certain it's one of those sentences where it's like, it has the letters of the word, but you have to, it's scrambled, so you have to like de-scramble it and spell out a word. I can't remember what they're called, but we're at the end of this video. Go show some love to Jurassic Park Security, who I'll leave a link to in the description, as well as the playlist of his series, so you can watch it as well. But we've reached the end of my video. And if you enjoyed my commentary or editing, please leave a like and subscribe. It does help a lot. A lot. But with that being said, I'll say what I always say at the end of my videos. Bye-bye.